Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending to where you are. Here I was in supermarket. After everything I remembered, sijanunua nyanya, sijanunua hoho, so I went back to get nyanyas, tomatoes and cabbage and some hoho and gourgets. So they were so expensive. Imagine that cabbage, those nyanyas, there is nyanya, onions, hoho, 3 hohos and 3 gourgets and 1 cabbage. It was almost 1,000, and I wondered how. That 1 cabbage, it was 99 shillings. 1 cabbage, not 2. It was 1, just 1 cabbage, 99 shillings, almost 100. The onions were for something, around 400 and something. The nyanya 200. It was so expensive. I wondered where, if 1 cabbage is 99 shillings, how many things am I going to get in a supermarket? Everything is expensive. So I had to walk away, just slowly watching fruits, just walk away because everything was expensive. By the way, where we are, everything is expensive. Literally. Ukienda super na dhao, hiyo sio pesa. Supermarket with 1,000, that is not money. Ni vitu mbili tatu, we are out. Nimefika kwa cashier. Sasa nihesabiwe, ilikuja total of around 7 something, 790 something. Vitu tatu, just cabbage, nyanya, cabbage, tomato, onions, hoho, pilipili hoho and gourgets. The gourgets were 3, hoho are 3, almost 1,000. Tunaelekea wapi? Where are we going? Since right now to tell somebody I have given you 1,000 to go to supermarket to do shopping, hakuna kitu namwambia hebu cheki hiyo chocolate iko hapo ni 290 moja. Niambie surely. Really? Thank you very much guys. Feel much appreciated. Thank you for my subscribers. Thank you for the new subscribers. Make sure you like, share and comment. Just say hi there to comment section. Say something to comment section. Feel much appreciated, my followers. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe. Thank you very much. Love you all. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Peshp Backup. Subscribe, share and comment. And come for 1 PK is 27 shillings.